What up, y'all? It's your boy Ignit here to help you with Logic. And today I'm going to solve that problem of Logic crashing due to system overload. It's a very, very simple fix. If you've had it, you know how annoying it is. Let's get right to it. All right, so what you want to do is go to Preferences. You want to go to Audio, and then we're going to look at the buffer size. And let me just explain what buffer size is real quick. It's the amount of time that your computer has to process what's happening. So just say, for instance, I have a vocal, I have auto tune, compressor, delay, reverb, distortion. I have all these different things on it. Each one of those plugins creates latency. It requires processing power. The more of those that you have on, the more processing power your computer needs to turn that into sound that you hear in your ear. So, two things that you want to do to stop the system overload issue is, one, you don't want to record with a whole bunch of plugins. Try to do minimum amount of plugins. But then two, you also want to eliminate any potential latency while you're recording. You want to record at a lower buffer size. Like, I normally feel good about 128. That's pretty good to me. Sometimes I'll go to 256 if I have like a couple of extra plugins on the vocal chain, but really no higher than that. And then when you're mixing, you want to mix with a higher buffer size. Again, you want your computer to be able to use as much processing power as possible to get that sound right without it shutting off. And in order to do so is increasing the buffer size. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.